Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming hardware and power. Make sure battery is above 20% so the process doesn't abort. Once done, clean the sensor and your finger. Oil or moisture reduces accuracy. Then position your fingertip as instructed. You open Settings, navigate to Security or Biometrics, and choose Add Fingerprint. Follow the on-screen prompts and lift and reposition your finger slowly to capture edges. Keep breathing steady and use short, deliberate placements so the sensor maps the ridge patterns accurately. Now you refine the scan by capturing multiple angles and slight pressure differences so the matcher has robust templates. Once one fingerprint is enrolled, add alternate fingers. Thumb and index are typical, so you can unlock in varied grips. Also register a backup PIN or pattern immediately. Biometrics can fail. If your device allows sensitivity adjustment, tweak it to balance false rejects and false accepts. After each enrollment, test unlocking to confirm recognition in normal use and re-enroll if to finish, enable fingerprint access for locks, payments, and autofill where you want convenience. Make sure your device requires a backup PIN after reboot for security and store recovery information securely. If recognition degrades, delete and re-enroll templates rather than repeatedly adding similar scans. Aim for clear, varied placements. Troubleshooting tip: if problems persist, clean the sensor, dry your finger, and re-register after skin changes like cuts or calluses. This often restores reliable performance without hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.